Hey everyone, if you've been eagerly waiting for a Nokia smartphone that's not only affordable, but also packed with jaw-dropping features, then today's video is just for you. We're about to dive into the details of the all-new Nokia Oxygen Ultra 5G, a phone that's set to redefine what a budget-friendly powerhouse can do. From a mind-blowing 200-megapixel DSLR camera, to an insane 8000 mAh battery, this phone is here to blow your mind. In today's video, we'll dive deep into the fully leaked features, price, and launch date of this amazing smartphone. So, let's start. Features of Nokia Oxygen Ultra 5G. Display. First up, let's talk about the display. The Nokia Oxygen Ultra 5G comes with a massive 6.95-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display that boasts a 4K resolution. But that's not all, it also features a buttery-smooth 144 Hz refresh rate and a lightning-fast 390 Hz touch sampling rate. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or just scrolling, this display is an absolute treat for your eyes. And it's protected by Gorilla Glass 8, and has an IP68 rating for water and dust resistance. Camera setup. Now, let's talk about the camera. And trust me, this is where things get really exciting. The Nokia Oxygen Ultra 5G features a quad camera setup, with a primary 200-megapixel sensor. Alongside that, you get a 32-megapixel ultra-wide lens, a 16-megapixel macro lens, and an 8-megapixel depth sensor. And for all the selfie lovers out there, there's a 50-megapixel front camera. Performance. Under the hood, the Nokia Oxygen Ultra 5G is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, the most powerful chipsets out there. Whether you're gaming, multitasking, or editing videos, this phone can handle it all without breaking a sweat. And to top it off, it runs on the latest Android 15, ensuring you get the smoothest and most up-to-date user experience. Battery backup. Worried about battery life? Don't be. The Nokia Oxygen Ultra 5G packs a massive 8000 mAh battery that's designed to keep you going all day long. And when it's time to recharge, the 100-watt fast charger will have you back to 100% in no time. Plus, it comes with a Type-C charging port for added convenience. Price and launch date. Now, let's talk about the price. The Nokia Oxygen Ultra 5G is expected to be priced around $1,200, which is a steal considering the features it offers. As for the launch date, mark your calendars because this beast is set to hit the market next year.